Day, you can state your name. I know you're not a party here, but I'll let you identify.
My daughter, I left my home of 18 years to come here to be with my stepdad, and he bounced on
Just tell me your name, ma'am.
Angela Day.
What was that?
Sure.
All right. Court is calling 2022 CR 9447 State versus Victor Manuel Mendoza. Can I have parties announced?
Valerie for the state.
Sharon Thorne for the defendant.
And are you Mr. Mendoza? Well, I'm going to down for a motion to revoke, please.
Excuse me, stuttering.
Yes. All right. Thank you, John. Oh, take your time.
Yes, Your Honor. No, yes, Your Honor.
All right. All right. Mr. Mendoza, did you review the documents entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision and First Amended Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? These two documents.
Yes.
All right. Did you understand them? All right, let me ask you this. Do you understand that you're on deferred adjudication for aggravated assault with a deadly weapon?
Yes.
Do you understand that the state has filed a motion to revoke stating that you have violated the conditions of your probation?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand that in these two documents, the First Amended Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision and the Motion to Enter Adjudication and Revoke Community Supervision, the state put in these documents the items that they're saying that you didn't complete or how you violated your probation? Did you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Victor Manuel Mendoza who was placed on deferred adjudication in cause number, that's the cause number, 2022 CR 9447 for the offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon on December 13th, 2022 for a period of 6 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Violation of condition number 1 on or about the 18th day of January 2025 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Victor Manuel Mendoza, committed the offense of criminal trespass in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
We waive and abandon the remainders.
Any objections?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court is finding violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is not, Your Honor. State is asking that you revoke defendant community supervision and adjudicate him and sentence him to 6 years in the prison. The reason that we're asking for this is because this is the third MTR that's come before this court, and he has not used any of the tools that probation has given him to redirect his behavior as played by the new offense that he made.
I think. And defense, what are you requesting?
Yes, Your Honor. And further, the agreement with the state is that you're going to TIC the 3 new misdemeanors.
Yeah.
Okay. There are 3 new misdemeanors, Your Honor. My client does have an explanation for these 3 misdemeanors, but he is pleading true. And as you can see, he has a severe stuttering situation, but he wants to explain, like one of the offenses was a failed ID. And I believe the officer really couldn't understand him when the officer said he wouldn't give his name, but
Okay.
my client would like to explain his situation, but he is accepting responsibility. So would you like to tell the court about your father, grandfather, and that you need to be home with your mom?
John message. My step, my stepdad was in another hospital. Yeah, my stepdad was in another hospital. My stepdad was in another hospital. I had lost track. I was taking care of my mom, and my stepfather just passed away, and my stepfather had just passed away just, just about 2 months ago.
Victor, can you tell the court,
Well, if he's going to give testimony, I'll have him raise his right hand. Or do you want to proffer what he's going to say?
can I proffer what he's going to say?
Yes.
He recently lost his stepfather. His mother requires his help. He does have a severe stuttering disability. He believes that the varied ID was a miscommunication with the officer because the officer didn't think that he was answering his question. And you could see, Your Honor, he has a very difficult time communicating. He had a criminal trespass that's also that he's accepting responsibility for, but he said that that was also a misunderstanding with I guess the store owner. It was a Dollar Tree. As you can see, Your Honor, my client does have a severe stuttering and communication issues. He does understand that this is his third MTR. He does understand that he is going to be looking at revocation. He is simply asking the court to show mercy on him as far as a sentence. I know the state is asking for 6. We are asking for less. And he does have some credit, Your Honor, and I've been checking with probation and with your clerk as to his credit. He has 403 days, and he also did ISF twice, so that's another 183 days. So he should have 586 days total. We are asking this court to show some mercy on him and to sentence him less than the 6 years, giving him all full credit that he has earned.
All right. And state, what cases are you taking in consideration?
That would be 2025 CC 001646 criminal trespass. 2025 CC 005683 evading arrest. And then the 2025 CC 005637 bill time.
All right. So this is what the court understands. The failure to identify. Maybe there were some communication issues, but the evading arrest, there's no communication issues with that. For example, you're able to understand what I'm saying. So the evading arrest has nothing to do with verbal communication. The criminal trespass really has nothing to do with verbal communication. Because when the people at the Dollar Tree tell you to leave and give you a warning not to come back, then you're not to come back. And if you come on their property, then it's a criminal trespass. This is the 3rd time you've been before me. And your attorney has told me that you had some issues going on with your family. I always tell people, all you have to do is let your probation officer know. And if you feel as though they're not responding, you can come back to the court. And I know I would have told you that because this is your 3rd motion to revoke. There's only so much work that I can do to try to help people. And if you don't want the help and you're not going to do right, there's nothing I can do. The court is finding violation of condition number 1 true. The court is going to find you guilty. The court is going to revoke. There's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon. Was there any restitution probation that was ordered? All right. I'm going to give you credit for any time served. I'll give you credit for successful completion of ISF. taking consideration 2025 CC 001646, 2025 CC 005683, 2025 CC 005678, and I'm sentencing you to 6 years in the prison. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it? It's this document that tells you whether or not you have a right to appeal. Did you review it with your attorney? And states you may be excused. All right. You have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you are on deferred adjudication. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yes.